Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Experimental design questions often trick students, but we can solve this quickly by identifying the core flaw in the study design and selecting the right component. The gymnasts chose their own chalk. This self-selection means the groups are not equivalent, introducing potential confounding variables that invalidate the comparison of the two different chalk types used here. To establish a cause and effect relationship, we must use random assignment. This ensures that any differences in ratings are due to the chalk itself, not the gymnast's own personal hidden preferences. Option C is the only one that addresses the lack of random assignment. Other options like replication or equal group sizes are secondary to the fundamental need for proper experimental randomization.
Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore bias or confuse groups. Always use randomization to show true cause and effect.